Union. Gathering score of for Miss Aloha 2025. Second runners-up, gathering score of 75.2%. Pwede ba yung tatlo maghawak-hawak dito ng kamay? Yung tatlong ladies?
Forward.
Sa center?
Forward.
Ay, parang beauty contest talaga. Center po, center. Yan. Gathering score of 75.2%. The second runner-up for Aloha 2025 is toward the winner, our secretary of Monte MY San Scalaman Boys Union. Okay, so tinanong ko sila kung sila lang mag-announce. Ako na lang daw para daw hindi sila aabangan sa labas. Okay? Ako na lang kasi kami uuwi naman. Alright, second runner-up, gathering score 7.2%. Congratulations to Miss Raquel Padernal. Over by our secretary. Alright. Okay. Come on, boys. Boys, to the center. Boys, to the center, please. Girls, backward. Alright, magkawak-awak din ang kamay ng mga boys. Second runner-up for Mr. Aloha 2025. Gathering score of 89.3%. Congratulations to Mr. Marvin Surilla. Over the winner, Mr. Glenn. Secretary na lang. Alright. Two ladies. Come forward, two ladies.
Two ladies.
Alright. We'll be announcing the winners of Aloha 2025. Clear. 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 Wait. Makikiyo. We'll be announcing the winners. And the rest of the contestant, in a call the name, will be the first runners-up. Alright. I'll be the winner of Aloha 2025. Magharapan na kayo para sports harapan. Yan.
Yan.
Alright. Good. Points lang ang pinag... So... Yes! The winners of 2025 Aloha! Gathering score of 89%! Congratulations to candidate number 7! First candidate number 2! sa'yo ang iyong jowa. Mahal mo? Mahal mo? Talaga? Sure? Kiss mo nga? Kiss mo nga kung mahal mo? Hindi ka yung kiss. Hindi ka yung kiss. Ulitin mo. Ulit. Balik. Kiss mo. Hindi yung ano yung kiss. Yung kiss ng pagmamahal, hindi yung smack. Kung proud ka na jowa mo yan, i-kiss mo na may pagmamahal. Alright, sino pa ba nagmamahalan dyan? Tumas ang kamay, papakiss ko rin. Alright? Wala na. Alright! The winner! Boys, dito kayo?
Boys, forward tayo.
Alright? The winner, the treasurer. Sino yung treasurer po ng Monte Emoy Sons Calamba? The first runner-up will be awarded by the Vice President of LGBT, Miss Ready Boy Filipinico. Come on stage. The Vice President of LGBT, PTGWO. Asa po si treasurer sa pamag-award ng winner? Alright. Again. Announcing the first runner-up. Clear. We'll be announcing the first runners-up. Maliwanag yan malinaw. Baliktad tayo ngayon. We'll be announcing the first runner-up. Or the name will be the winner. Alright. The first runners-up. Aloha 2025. Mr. Aloha 2025. First runners-up. My God, 1% lang ang lamang sa isa't isa. Oh my God. Yung isa, 0.2. Ang isa, 0.1. Dikit na dikit ang laban. The first runner-up got a score of 91%. Congratulations to first runner-up, Miss Candidate number 5! And the winner is Edmundo Rojas! Alright, the winner, Ready Boy number 5. And ma'am, ikaw po nanalo, si Ma'am May. Ang first runner-up po, si Miss Ready Boy Filipinico. Congratulations to all the winner on behalf of Monte Emoy Sons Cainta. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo. See you next year. Dito po rin po kami. Ha? Oh, may fourth runners up pa pala. Saan? Ay, alright. Sige, dyan muna kayo. Tawagin po natin ang top 5 boys and girls. May consolation prizes. Asan na? Asan yung listahan? Pare-pareho lang naman price niyan. O, pare-pareho lang. Okay! The top 5! Come on stage! Yung top 5 po, meron po consolation prizes. Picture taking naman kayo mga officers, so this is your the moment. Officers of Monte Emoy Sons Cainta ay Calamba.
Para sa inyo.
Ayan. Yung top 5 po, balik po tayo top 5. Meron po kayo ibibigay sa'yo as a consolation prize. Iabot na po, kayo naman mamagabot. Opo. LGBT judges, punta kayo dito, picture taking tayo. Ayan, picture taking, wala ka pa kayong photographer? Top 5, tara, tayo picture tayo. Wala bang photo, oh? And the other officers of Calamba. Let's go back on stage. congratulations to all the winners.
Okay, nice din po namin pasalamat sa ating sponsor, ang Monte Vista Resort. Nagbigay po siya ng konting para sa ating mga winners.
Ang ating pong mga committees, meron din po silang sponsors para sa mga sa special award.
So, mga kasama, siguro hindi lahat naman sa inyo ay gutom. Meron din busog, meron gutom. Ayun. Pwede na tayong kumain. So,
Smoke nyo parang
pwede na tayong kumain. Pero siguro, gusto na yung gusto kumain kasi baka busog pa. So, habang tayo kumakain,
Matubig kita ko naman sa likod. Fountain na. Fountain. Pitik-pitik lang. Hindi naman ay.
so congrats kay Mr. Ryan Chuya. Siya yung ating champion sa buong braso. So bigyan pa natin ng palakpak si Mr. Ryan Chuya. So, tinatawagan natin yung ating banda. Pwede na tayong habang natugtog ang ating banda, pwede tayong kumain, pwede tayong mag-inom, meron tayong...
Ngayon, tinatawag ko ng pansin, sina Miss Madeline Butikin, Miss Marita Sorial, Mr. Roy Alvarez, Mr. Robert Gamor.
Sa bilis, may pumapalak. Abutin ko lang langit, ito ang pakpak. Nabagay ng halimuyak na mga bulaklak. Ako ay parang sinusunod.
Alvin Valenzuela, Berhan Hernandez, Rene Santiago, Robert Conde, Excel Tito. Please name your prize, Tito. Okay, ready na ba sa ating rakrakas?
Kaway-kaway! Yay! 1, 2, 3! Okay. Thank you.